Aha! Ashi Hamono. Never dull moment. That's right. You guys always tell me how much you love Ashi Hamono, and there's really not a lot of information out there other than 1948. These guys started getting it done. Everybody gives mad respect to this particular people. I mean, mad respect. And we know some big people kind of came out of Ashi Hamono, especially out of Takata no Homono. Came out of there. The grinders, they really love it. My dog is trying to be a ham over here, and it's like, y'all don't even give me.
I thought she had to go out. That's what I was like, oh, never mind. Okay.
So, people know Ashi Hamono for their grind. You know what I mean? They are just, that's how they do. You know, that Hamagori grind with the clamshell, the ultra thin mono steel, they make just really good, supposedly lasers. Let's find out. Supposedly lasers. There's not a lot of laser makers. You know, so I'm super excited. This is Swedish steel, Swedish stainless. We've had some Swedish on the show.
We did.
You know, now typically Swedish that we've had would be the Swedish that is more carbon-ish that you'd find with like Shigafusa. But the Swedish stainless that we had was Mizuno, which was a 300 millimeter knife that we used. Is bigger than my whole body. It's like, I remember I could okay with it. So we've had some Swedish stuff going on. But Ashi Hamono is just a fan favorite. This is a 240 millimeter knife. And when it was sold, it came with a saya. So we'll see if that fits. Of course, as per our show, never used. And this is from Burnell Cutlery. They have been big proponents of that. And you know, that monotone steel, that mono steel is what we're used to from lots of different manufacturers. I think we had this knife on here when we were doing, why is it escaping my mind? Masamoto. When we were saying like...
When you were comparing...
Yeah, when we were comparing all the different knives that had the Masamoto KS, called it the KS effect. I'll put a link above. You know, the KS effect, you know, they just really did. They kind of changed the industry with a certain look and everything. But, you know, Ashi earned their own stuff. Ashi's really known also for their Hanyaki. Again, not a lot of people are doing it. So, again, known for the Hanyaki steel. We do not have one of those. But I do want to point out, especially if this is the laser that they talk about it is, that these knives are incredibly affordable. I mean, they really are like, everything was kept being 200, 200, 200. I don't care if I was on Carbon, knife.com. I don't care if I was on Burnell Cutlery. I mean, it just did not seem like the price got far away. But they really just ultra thin, super sharp, mono steel. So let's get into it. So I like 240 millimeter. What's odd is it says 240. It doesn't have a 240 look. It has, I mean, I know 240 is barely longer than 210. It just doesn't feel like it's 240, but.
Do you need to compare it to something?
I mean, I'm sure that it is. I trust them. But let's look at how thin this thing is, huh? Can you even see, or do I need something for comparison?
Nope. Yep.
It's definitely lightweight, and it's definitely got that taper.
It looks like it's lightweight. Mm-hmm.
You know, nothing too fancy about the handle. Traditional handle. You can see the brush marks, you know, on the polish. Just a little satin. You know, they didn't try to get too polished on it. Mm-hmm. Okay. And again, it seems like everyone has carried them. I mean, Chef Knives to Go carried them. I can't remember what District Cutlery had, but every time I looked them up, it seemed like everybody at some point in time has had Ashi Hamono. So again, 1948, been around, tried and true, and some of the best people have come from them. So lots of respect. So let's first of all, well, I don't want to put this in the saya.
I thought that too.
I don't want to dull it.
I thought that too, and I was like, nope.
All right, let's get this bad boy ready for testing. So if you guys haven't seen it yet, we're doing a knife giveaway. I'm sure by the time you see this video, we have not given away the knife yet. If you will check out our Instagram, we're trying to give back. We had visited Ryan Swanson, and he was nice enough several years ago to give us the knife that we realized we never gave away. So we're excited to give it back to you guys. So let's get it all braced down. There you go. After a year in the closet, sitting in a box, We got to turn this, which means we're going to alter the thing. We got to re-tear it again. So we got a 175, and you guys could see that it teetered on there before it broke through. So that was a true score. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, I'll always take a sub 200 or like whatever. That's a great score. I mean, honestly, sometimes I'll look at the best tester and see the score, and now I'm a little bit less impressed because I've seen the knife. Sometimes we've seen a 218 perform like ridiculous.
That's true.
You know. So sometimes, I mean, for me, it's like, again, we always like to say we like to listen. You know?
I still like different paper. I don't like that.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna, because like, I just want to see.
Yeah.
You know, even though we both agree this is probably like a little bit thicker paper.
Yeah, it's thicker paper. It sounds good, so I don't know.
I mean, the performance on it is way better than, I think the performance is like better than a 175.
And it's everywhere on the knife. You know, everywhere on the blade.
Yeah, I mean, it's completely.
So, okay.
Yeah, like what? Okay.
I don't know.
Do we have a paper towel?
I can get you one.
I appreciate it. Making our paper confetti thing that we do. And then,
Oh, sorry, camera. Yeah.
I mean, I'm always like, what? And I honestly think sometimes that the knives are a little bit like toothier. Like, do better on this. I got to try blueberries. I made blueberries famous. Oh, you know what I'd love to try? I haven't done this in like forever. This would be kind of something cool to do.
What?
Roll up the magazine paper. Do you remember when I did that one a long time ago?
Oh my gosh, no. Boys and girls.
You ready to film this?
I am filming.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't want to stick, babe. It might be the cutting board.
But it's still biting into the blueberry? Yep.
Okay, seriously.
Seriously? Ashi Hamono, razor thin. All right, let's give it a try.
For what?
Let's give so what we did was,
Oh my gosh.
let's get a different magazine.
Sorry, I'm
according
not
to my
being
wife.
supportive right now.
Let's be supportive, baby. Come on.
Yay! There.
So much enthusiasm we have in this house.
Oh, well, yeah.
Are you gonna stay?
No. How is it going to stay without being taped or something, dude? Like, I mean, I'm just saying. Oh my, okay, yeah, that's,
How did I do it before? I think I did a paper clip. You want to walk and get a paper clip? My wife has left us for a moment to get paper. Oh, she got them closer. She is prepared, man. My wife is prepared. There you go.
I don't know, man. I don't remember the paper clip before. I'm just saying.
You weren't here when I did it.
Oh?
You weren't here when I did the infamous rolled up thing.
Sounds
was
infamous.
like,
Infamous rolled up thing.
You don't remember? Do I need to send you a YouTube short?
No.
And you know what I did it with? I did it with the Kurosaki AS 107 millimeter
Oh, his memory.
bunka that I gave to my son. Because that was his favorite knife, because it was his dad's favorite knife. So he wanted his dad's favorite knife. That's kind of narrow. Let's give it a try.
Let's go.
We're trying for you, people.
Arts and crafts.
Well, the top is different than the bottom.
It is.
But I did this before. See, I'm building suspense. This is theatrical. Okay? Don't tell me it's not. Because you're at home going, go, Greg, go, Greg, go. See, I need this paperclip to bend more, man. It's working me.
It's crooked at the bottom.
I'm just saying.
It's like a teepee right now.
I don't want it to be a cone.
Sorry, cone. Yeah.
Teepee cone. But I did it before, like the first time, so easy.
You weren't dealing with allergies in South
Do I need
Carolina.
one? Do I need to do it? I need one on each end?
I don't know.
Is that what I need?
I don't know that I have. I don't see another one right now. I might have killed your dream, man.
There we go.
Okay.
She might have killed the dream. My wife killing the dream. I don't know. I wonder if it can do it. Well, is it going to bite?
I don't know. Or is it going to fall down?
Yeah, it fell down. Okay. We tried. We tried. All the suspense got built up.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe.
I mean, seriously? Okay, let's do the fold. No crease. Bite. Is this your new favorite knife, babe?
It's a little
Do I
big.
need to leave it handy? Okay, let's see if it fits.
It's a little big for me.
So Burnell Cutlery gifts this to you. I don't know around here. Do we store stuff in the Saya or do we store stuff in the box?
Well,
We're
we're box because everything else is in a box.
Okay, so the way you would put this
You
in...
have to show it too. So you're showing it for you, not for us. So yes, thank you. You have to angle it differently.
So you would do
other
it
way.
like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, but the pin, I don't know if it's
And then the pin goes in.
It does. Oh, there you go.
They did a good job.
That's a nice one.
Yep, and it's loose enough to where I don't feel like the blade is touching the inside. Good job, Burnell Cutlery. Do we double do it?
Oh my goodness. Will it fit?
Nope. Nope.
Not gonna make that fit, huh?
Whoa!
Exploding Sayas.
That's what we're saying. That's our story, and we're sticking to it. Can we do it? Nope.
No, don't do that. Don't lay it on there.
I'm not, man. So there you go.
All right, cool.
No, but I'll definitely keep this handy because it's stainless.
It's a little big though for me, I think.
Little Swedish stainless. You know what? I'm excited about sharpening this one day.
Okay.
Okay, so we made a mess. That's what we do for you around here. Not a dull moment. We got a 175. We got some paper towelage. We got some blueberry, right? You know, blueberry's always good. One day I want to do a currant. I think, isn't a currant smaller than a blueberry? Next level. So we're
I don't know. The
slicing
pronunciation.
atoms
I
is
know.
illegal. Slicing atoms are illegal. So currant. I think that's
It was the pronunciation.
not a dull moment. Not a dull moment. Check in Friday nights at 8. Appreciate you guys checking us out. Ashi Hamono represented well here tonight. Thank you. God bless.